Welcome back to my channel where we explore the rich and diverse world of Portuguese cuisine. Today, we're diving into the fascinating history and delicious flavors of a very special Portuguese sausage, Alheira. But what makes Alheira truly unique isn't just its taste, it's the intriguing history and unknown facts that surround it. Let's get started. Alheira is a traditional Portuguese sausage, but it's not your average sausage. Unlike most sausages made from pork, Alheira was originally made with a variety of meats like poultry, veal, and rabbit, mixed with bread. This was because it was created by the Jewish community in Portugal during the Inquisition, who needed a way to maintain their dietary laws while avoiding persecution. Alheira was invented in the late 15th century by Portuguese Jews who were forced to convert to Christianity but secretly kept their Jewish practices. They created this sausage with other meats and bread to mimic the appearance of pork sausages, thus protecting themselves from the Inquisition. Traditional Alheira can contain a mix of different meats, including poultry, veal, duck, and even game meats like rabbit. This variety of meats gives Alheira its unique flavor and texture. The name, Alheira, comes from the Portuguese word, alho, which means garlic. Garlic is one of the key ingredients that gives this sausage its distinctive taste. There are many regional variations of Alheira across Portugal. For instance, in Trás-os-Montes, a northern region, Alheira often includes game meats, giving it a richer flavor. Meanwhile, in the Beiras region, it's common to find Alheira made with more poultry and bread. Traditionally, Alheira is grilled or fried and served with a fried egg, potatoes, and sometimes greens. This simple yet hearty preparation highlights the sausage's unique flavor profile. Alheira has become a staple in Portuguese cuisine and is commonly found in restaurants and homes across the country. It's particularly popular during festivals and special occasions. Compared to traditional pork sausages, Alheira can be a healthier option. Its lower fat content and the inclusion of bread make it less fatty, though it still packs a flavorful punch. Modern chefs have put their own twists on Alheira, incorporating it into gourmet dishes, appetizers, and even using it as a stuffing for pastries. This versatility shows just how beloved this sausage has become. Some types of Alheira, like Alheira de Mirandela, have been granted Protected Geographical Indication (PGI) status by the European Union. This means they are recognized for their unique quality and cultural importance. Alheira isn't just popular in Portugal. Portuguese communities around the world, from Brazil to the United States, have brought this delicious sausage to global attention, incorporating it into their local culinary traditions. Now, let's make a simple and delicious Alheira dish right here. We'll grill the sausage, serve it with a fried egg, and some crispy potatoes. The perfect meal to enjoy anytime. The flavors are incredible. The garlic really stands out, and the mix of meats gives it a unique texture. If you've never tried Alheira, I highly recommend it. Alheira often includes a secret blend of spices unique to each family or producer. These blends can include paprika, black pepper, bay leaves, and even nutmeg, adding to the complexity of its flavor profile. The bread used in Alheira acts as a natural preservative. This method was particularly useful in the past when refrigeration was not available, allowing the sausage to be stored for longer periods. While traditionally grilled or fried, Alheira can also be baked or cooked in a stew. Some modern variations even include it as a filling for pastries or empanadas. A special variety known as Alheira de caca is made using wild game meat. This version is prized for its intense flavor and is often enjoyed during hunting season in Portugal. The creation of Alheira inspired other types of Portuguese sausages that incorporate bread as a filler, influencing the overall sausage-making tradition in the region. Some regions in Portugal, like Mirandela, hold annual Alheira festivals celebrating this unique sausage with cooking competitions, tastings, and cultural events. Is one of the few culinary creations directly linked to the Sephardic Jewish heritage in Portugal, representing a significant part of Jewish Portuguese history. Because Alheira often contains a higher proportion of lean meats compared to traditional sausages, it is considered a relatively healthier sausage option, especially when grilled rather than fried. In some Portuguese regions, serving Alheira to guests is a symbol of hospitality and respect, highlighting its cultural importance beyond just a food item. Alheira has influenced and been influenced by other Iberian and Mediterranean cuisines. For example, similar bread-filled sausages can be found in Spanish and Italian culinary traditions. Alheira has been mentioned in various Portuguese literary works, symbolizing resilience and ingenuity, reflecting its historical significance. Today, Alheira can be found not only in traditional markets but also in modern supermarkets across Portugal and in Portuguese communities worldwide, making it accessible to a broader audience. Many Portuguese families still make their own Alheira at home, using recipes that have been handed down through generations, preserving the authenticity and personal touch. Alheira pairs exceptionally well with certain Portuguese wines, such as Vinho Verde or a light red wine from the Douro Valley, enhancing the dining experience. Health-conscious variations of Alheira are now being produced, including versions with whole grain bread and leaner cuts of meat, catering to modern dietary preferences. Certain regions in Portugal, such as Trás-os-Montes and Mirandela, have become iconic for their specific styles of Alheira, each with its own distinctive flavor and preparation method. A popular modern twist is to serve Alheira with a poached egg instead of a fried one, adding a gourmet touch to this traditional dish. Some modern chefs have created vegetarian versions of Alheira, using ingredients like mushrooms, tofu, and a variety of spices to replicate the original flavors while catering to vegetarians and vegans. Alheira has appeared in Portuguese films and TV shows, often symbolizing traditional values and the country's rich culinary heritage. Some producers are now focusing on sustainable practices, using organic meats and locally sourced ingredients to create Alheira, reflecting a growing trend towards eco-friendly and ethical food production. Thank you for joining me on this delicious journey through the history and unknown facts of Alheira. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty explorations of Portuguese cuisine.